16 foods that boost your immune system. Number 1. Elderberry. It's traditional medicine. This fruit is high in antioxidants, which may aid in the battle against inflammation. An extract from the berries appears to inhibit flu viruses in some lab trials. However, scientists warn that additional research is needed. You should still be vaccinated for the flu every year. Number 2. Button mushrooms. They provide selenium as well as the B vitamins riboflavin and niacin. This aids you in a variety of ways. You may be more susceptible to a more severe flu if you're deficient in selenium. Riboflavin and niacin are important for maintaining a healthy immune system. Number 3. Acai Berry. Its dark color indicates that it is high in anthocyanins, a type of vitamin. There is no evidence that acai is beneficial for any specific condition. Antioxidants from food, on the other hand, are an important part of a healthy lifestyle in general. These berries are great in juices and smoothies, or dried and combined with oats. Number 4. Oysters. They contain zinc, which has been shown to have antiviral properties. This is likely due to the fact that zinc aids in the formation and activation of white blood cells involved in the immunological response. It also aids your immune system in duties like wound healing. Number 5. Watermelon. It's not merely invigorating. When it's fully ripe, it's also high in glutathione, an antioxidant. It boosts the immune system's ability to resist illness. Eat the red pulpy meat towards the rind of your watermelon to obtain the maximum glutathione. Number 6. Wheat germ. It's the nutrient-dense section of a wheat seed that feeds a young wheat plant. It's an excellent source of zinc, antioxidants, and B vitamins. Wheat germ is high in fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. Wheat germ can be used in place of some ordinary flour in recipes. Number 7. Low-fat yogurt. Probiotics, which may be found in yogurt and other fermented foods, have been shown to reduce the severity of colds. Look for the words living and dynamic cultures on the labels. Look for vitamin D supplements as well. Low vitamin D levels have been linked to an increased risk of colds and flu, according to research. Number 8. Spinach. This super meal is chock full of nutrients. One of these is folate, which aids in the formation of new cells and the repair of DNA in the body. It also contains fiber, antioxidants like vitamin C, and other nutrients. To receive the maximum benefit from spinach, eat it raw or minimally cooked. Number 9. Tea. You can go for white, green, or black. Polyphenols and flavonoids that fight disease are found in each. These antioxidants seek for and destroy cell-damaging free radicals. Both caffeinated and decaf coffees work well. Number 10. Sweet potato. Sweet potatoes, like carrots, contain beta-carotene. This is converted to vitamin A in your body, which scavenges free radicals. This strengthens the immune system, and may possibly slow down the aging process. Number 11. Broccoli. It's easy to come by in the grocery store, and it's a staple in the immune system. You'll get a lot of nutrients to help your body stay healthy. Vitamins A and C, as well as the antioxidant glutathione, are all present. To fill up a side dish, add to any dish or top with low-fat cheese. Number 12. Garlic. This culinary essential does a lot more than add flavor to food. Because of its capacity to combat bacteria, viruses, and fungi, raw garlic can aid in the treatment of skin infections. However, you must use the real thing, not garlic powder, to reap the benefits. Garlic supplements may possibly aid with cholesterol reduction. Number 13. Miso. This salty paste is derived from fermented soybeans and is a traditional Japanese condiment. It's most likely been in a soup, but it can also be used in sauces. It contains probiotics, which are healthy bacteria found in yogurt and fermented foods, as well as your gut bacteria. They can help with both infectious and non-infectious diarrhea since they boost your immune system. Number 14. Chicken soup. Grandma's favorite cold treatment is backed by science. Homemade chicken soup might help you recover faster by easing your symptoms. Furthermore, it contains a substance called carnosine, which can help your body fight the flu virus. Don't have time to prepare homemade soup? Many store-bought soups, according to researchers, have the same impact. Number 15. Pomegranate juice. When the ancient Egyptians utilized this bright fruit to heal illnesses, they were onto something. The most recent study has focused on pomegranate extract, although the juice has shown promise in helping your body fight bacteria and viruses, including the flu. Number 16. Ginger. Perhaps you enjoy ginger for the fiery kick it adds to Asian cuisine, or because it can help with nausea and vomiting when mixed into tea or ginger ale. But hang just a minute, there's more. This knuckle-shaped root is also high in antioxidants. Supplements, on the other hand, should be avoided. Stir ginger into stir fries or use it to make tea by steeping it in hot water. When you consume antioxidants from fruits and vegetables, they operate best in your body. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe.